Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make one of the things that I like the most in the whole wide world, which is pickles. We're going to make pickles, but we're not going to use cucumbers. No, sir. No, ma'am. We're going to use Brussels sprouts. No, don't leave. Don't. I promise you. If you don't like Brussels sprouts, and I was one of these people until I gave it a shot by making a roasted recipe, which is over here, but it's not this one that we're going to make today. We're going to make it in a form of pickles, and you're going to love it. You're going to thank me later because you know I love you. So let me show you how I put it together. And on a pot, we're going to add sugar, salt, turmeric, yellow mustard seeds, bay leaves. Here I have a potpourri of peppers, but you can use only black pepper if that's what you want, doesn't really matter. Some raw garlic cloves, whole, and some cloves. The Brussels sprouts, the halved Brussels sprouts. Red bell peppers, sliced onions, white wine vinegar, and the water. And you're going to turn on the heat and you're going to allow it to come to a simmer, okay, for 1 minute. And it's ready. Well, step one is ready. Now what we're going to do, we're going to can it, okay? I'm going to teach you how I do it, and it's safe. Now, I take whatever kind of a glass jar that I'm going to can in a jar. That's all right. That sounds about right. All right. I put it in my dishwasher for 70 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. This is going to clean it, okay, thoroughly, very well. And then I remove them from the dishwasher, and then I put them on top of a tea towel because I don't want them in touch with the cold kitchen counter. And this is it. Now, we are going to fill the jars, okay? Put all the content that we just simmered, and we're going to close it. And now we're going to make it last for years. And the step that we need to do is to boil them, all right? Now, take a tall pot, fill it with water, put a tea towel on the bottom, because it's going to boil, okay? And with the friction, with the bubbles and everything, the glass in touch with the pot, it can break, okay? We don't want that, okay? Or crack, okay? So protect it. Do it, put a tea towel on the bottom and boil it for 15 minutes. Now, after this step, you remove them from the bath, okay, from the hot bath, and then you place them again on top of a tea towel. We don't want the cold surface in touch with the hot glass. That's not good. And now we're going to cover it with another tea towel or a towel and allow it to cool completely, okay? Don't touch it, don't worry about it. Just do it, leave it overnight, allow it to cool completely, and this is it. Now, if you're using a pot, a glass jar with a regular screw top, you put them upside down, yeah, upside down, okay? When you remove them from the bath, from the pot, put them upside down, all right? And this is it. This is it. Isn't it so easy?
You got eyes like summer sky. If you smart could kill or die. And now it starts to rain, so let's enjoy it. I can't believe that this is real, and the way you make me feel.
Nice, isn't it? Let me tell you. Each ingredient, they have a purpose, and not only for flavor. For example, you need the salt to preserve it well. You need the vinegar to kill the bacteria while it preserves, while it ferments, okay? And you need the turmeric, because the turmeric is going to not only add that beautiful chartreuse color, yellow color, but it's going to add tannins, and the tannins are important, so it gets crunchy. And the same with the bay leaf, okay? So try not to skip those ingredients. Those are important. And if you want to add dill, you can do that. You can, any type of herb you like. I like to keep it classic. This is actually a Chef John from Food Wishes recipe that I turned into Brussels sprouts. I have been meaning to do that for a while now. And finally it's here. So make it. And if you make it, let me know, okay? And recipe, it's going to be full recipe in the description box under the video and on my website, as well as the printable recipe, okay? So this is it for today. Like this video, subscribe, share, hit the bell button so you get notified. If you make it, tag me on Instagram and Facebook, send me pictures. I love when you do that. And I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye-bye.